Welcome. I'm Sarah, and this is Artisan Heirloom Foods. And I want to talk about seed saving today. This is a green tomato that I planted a few days ago. And if I just scoot back a little bit, you'll see that there's 8 other pots. And this is the first one to come up. Now, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. One of the channels that I watch on a regular basis is by a gentleman named Matt Powers. He actually works for Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds out of Missouri. He lives in Washington. He used to live in California, but he's in Washington now. And he, in one of his videos, he talked about something very interesting, and that was the ability to genetically modify in a natural way, your seeds. And he did this with a few seeds when he lived near the Mojave in California that didn't grow very well in his climate, and because of the lack of rainfall, the particular plant that he had seeded wasn't drought tolerant. And what he did was he was able to get seed from this plant, and he took that seed and replanted it the following year, and the plant actually grew better than the first year, and he was able to collect seed again. And by the third year, when he planted that seed, the plant had actually modified itself to be tolerant of the lack of moisture. So the plant then grew really well, and he was able to get a good harvest from it, apparently. And so he has talked about this several times in several videos. I guess Baker Creek is currently doing the same technique with corn that they have found in different regions around the world that are not suitable for North America. And so they're in the process of naturally, genetically modifying the plant. They're not in a lab. They're not crossbreeding. They're simply just allowing the plant to become accustomed to the climate and that. So it has nothing to do with chemicals. It has nothing to do with gene splicing or anything like that. It's just basically getting the plant to adapt to the environment, and then saving seed from the most viable plant, and then continually seeding it every year. And so that's what I'm going to do with this green tomato. This is a green tomato, and I'm going to save seed from this specific plant. I'm going to keep track of it, and next year I'm going to plant the seed, and the first seed to pop up out of the pot, I will tag it and save seeds specifically from that plant, and we're going to continue this process. So I'm going to continue these videos over as long as I can, as long as I'm doing this, and I'm going to see exactly how this works. So it's sort of like an experiment, but I wanted to share this technique with you because you might live in a part of the country where things don't grow really well. And so, if you're able to save seed from a plant that may not do well in your area, and then replant that again every year, you might be able to get a plant that actually grows well in your climate. So, all right, you guys, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this content and you want to see more, subscribe. hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. Hit that like button if this was useful or if you're interested in it. Share it, and always leave a comment. Thank you so much again for watching and spending your time with me. And until my next video, you all take care.